In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Patreon account. First, open your web browser and head over to patreon.com. On the home page, look toward the top right and click the Login button. This takes you to the dedicated login page, which is the easiest and most secure place to access your account. On the login screen, you'll see several sign-in options. Patreon supports logging in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, which can be convenient if you already use those accounts and prefer fewer passwords to manage. For this walkthrough, though, we'll use the classic email method since it works for everyone and is straightforward to follow. In the email field, type the email address you used when you created your Patreon account. Take a quick moment to double check for typos and make sure you're using the same address where you usually receive Patreon notifications. In the password field, enter your account password exactly as you set it. Passwords are case sensitive, so confirm caps lock isn't on, and if you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill to avoid mistakes. Once your email and password are in place, click Continue. If everything matches, Patreon will log you in and route you to your account, where you'll see your feed, memberships, or creator tools depending on how you use the platform. If you're prompted to verify your identity, simply follow the on-screen instructions. This can happen occasionally as an added security measure to keep your account safe. A few quick tips to make this process smoother. If the page seems slow or doesn't load properly, refresh the browser and try again. Or confirm you have a stable internet connection. If your login attempt doesn't go through, re-enter your email and password carefully, paying attention to any extra spaces before or after your text. For ongoing convenience, consider bookmarking patreon.com so you can get back to the login page quickly next time. And for security, avoid signing in on shared or public computers. If you must, remember to log out when you're done. That's it. Visit patreon.com, choose your sign-in method, enter your email and password, and click Continue. With these simple steps and a quick check for accuracy, you'll be inside your Patreon account in moments and ready to support creators or manage your own page without hassle. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you want to review a specific step.